What's up, everyone? It's Ryan with Heat Press Nation. If you've ever had trouble applying transfers onto caps, it's most likely due to it being a structured cap. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can press a structured cap like a pro with any cap press and a roll of vapor foam. Whether you're new or experienced in pressing caps, you'll most likely encounter the troubles of working with a structured cap. Not to mention, there is no universal standard for cap presses. Each of the lower platen curves are often shaped differently than the other. They'll work great with unstructured caps, but any cap with a rigid crown won't be able to fully wrap themselves onto the lower platen. This even applies to cap presses with multiple platens of different sizes, as they can't consistently accommodate all structured caps. For example, here's how this cap is applied onto this machine. Since there is a noticeable gap below the crown, this would result in a failed transfer due to the lack of pressure on the center. And by pressing the cap like this, you could leave a permanent crease on the cap which won't look too good. But as one of the more common caps, there must be an easier way to press a structured cap. This is where the vapor foam comes into play. With a decent chunk of the foam roll, you can actually use it as extra padding that goes on the lower platen of the cap press, allowing structured caps to fit on the top as flush as possible. For this video, we'll be applying a sublimation transfer on a white structured cap using the HPN Signature Series Auto Open Cap Press. But the steps shown here can be done with your discretion on any structured cap, transfer material, and machine. Let's begin by cutting off some vapor foam off the roll. You can cut and stack around 2 to 3 layers of foam matching the size of the machine's lower platen. In this case, the Signature Series Auto Open Cap Press has a platen of 3 by 6.5 inches. Stack the foam layers on the lower platen. Then cut and add a large square chunk of foam on top and wrap it around the lower platen as much as possible. Next, use long strips of heat tape to keep the foam attached below. Now you can place your structured cap on the lower platen. You can check if it's making contact with the padding by simply pushing your finger on the crown. If so, adjust your machine's time, temperature, and pressure on the transfer you'd like to apply, and now you're ready to press the structured cap. If you feel that there's too much or too little padding below your hat, you can always take it out and remove or add foam on the lower platen before pressing. But if you'd like to learn more about the tools and materials in this video, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, feel free to reach out to a My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. This has been Ryan with Heat Press Nation, and take care.